Hello, this video will continue to demonstrate how to use the Replicator IP Solutions GNSS simulator. This is part 2. This video will show how to choose and set up a set of GNSS signals for a default simulation. The USB cable has micro B-type connector. This connector is asymmetrical. Please make sure to insert it in the correct way. To start a simulation, switch on power on the back panel of the Replicator chassis. Then connect USB 3 cable to host computer. Connect GNSS receiver under the test to the RF output of the simulator. The simulator has N-type connector. To set up signals for default simulation, one has to modify the signal configuration file. The file is located in the IRX folder on the C drive. The Replicator has 4 RF channels and allows a user to simulate up to 6 signals. When the Region software opens the configuration file, it will show the signals set on the Simulation Setup tab. This tab also allows the user to modify the signal set. The RF channel is represented by the first column in the file. Please note that the RF channel number can be set to from 1 to 4. It is important that these numbers are not used more than once in the file. The next numbers in the row can be either 1 or 0. The number 1 indicates that the signal is simulated. For this simulation, let's choose to simulate triple frequency GPS, dual frequency Galileo, and NavIC. We can see that the required signal set has appeared on the Region simulation setup file. Please note that this time NavIC signal is not enabled in the receiver. Now let's simulate dual frequency GPS, GLONASS and Galileo. We cannot add NavIC signal to this simulation because all 6 signal slots are occupied. We will use Novotel and Septentrio receivers this time. We use simulated position as reference point on septentrion receiver. We can see that the estimated position usually is within 1 meter from the simulated position. We also can see the received signals on the receiver interfaces. We can also look at the sky charts. Our next video will be about NavIC simulation. Until next time, and thank you for watching.